Hello everyone. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can scrape uh, email addresses from the leads that you have scraped from the GMB lead scraper. I know it sounds very crazy. Let me tell you here. This is the software from where you can scrape the leads, right? And they will go to the outputs and they will look like something like this, right? And most of the GMBs doesn't have any email addresses on their GMB, so that's why those email addresses are not getting scraped. So this is the separate tool where you can give the domains from this leads sheet, like for example these ones, and then this software will try to scrape each website, and it will find each email address in each website, and then it will save it for you. So uh, before this software was inside this, but it was slowing this software down. So that's why I have created the separate software. So let me show you. For example, let's run this campaign, and then during the process when we will scrape some leads, then I will just pick them, and then I will add the websites into the second software. Okay. It will go to this folder. Let's wait for some seconds so it can scrape few of the leads so that I can use them. You see, there are many GMBs that doesn't have email addresses. Some of the people are really interested in the email addresses, and some of the people are interested in mobile phone numbers. These are the leads for them, but many of the people requires email addresses, but you see there are no email address on their GMBs. So whoever asked me that why your software doesn't give us the email address, this is the answer. GMB lead scraper doesn't give you the email addresses. It will scrape only if the email address is available on this GMB. Okay, but the second software that I have uh, now, you can add the email addresses from the leads that you have get, and then you can run the software and it will grab the emails from all of those domains, right? uh, I hope it gets some leads. Let's stop this software. Don't do this. That is just for the testing purpose. Now I'm going to. Okay, during a small test it just scraped few of the leads. Obviously when you will run for hours, then it will scrape too much data for you, but for now these two domains are fine. Now let's test the second software. Close this down. Add the domains here, right? And it will, these are many other options that you can try, but for now let's leave it like this. What it will do, it will go to this domain and it will crawl each page, and it will find if there is any kind of email address, then it will grab that. Same it will do to all of the domains. Let's run it. Okay, number of threads depends on your PC require I mean PC specifications. So if you have good specifications, then you can run more threads. More threads means it will run fast and it will crawl too many pages within few time. Okay, it's scraping the data. Let me find that. Results. Okay, it was able to just find just one email address from two of the domains. So for example, if we have many domains, then we can find more. Let me grab another file. Sorry, inputs, outputs. Okay, I am taking the leads from my another test. I have some more websites to try. Let's try these. Okay, let's run this and see what happens. Also close this. Some of the sites may be not working. I will also check manually. Hold on. Let me just find that. Multiple URLs. Open multiple URLs. Add it here. Open URLs. Okay, what it will do, it will open all of the website URLs that I have pasted. It seems all the sites were running fine, right? Some of the sites may be down. Everything else is working. This one is also down. Anyway, I was just checking the websites if they are alive so that I know the software that I'm running, it's investing the time on the perfect websites. Now what it will do, it will grab all of the emails from all domains and then it will put them inside this file. For now it's on autotransportdirect.com and this is the fourth site and it's taking some time. Maybe the site is very big and have too much pages, so that's why it's taking time. If a site has too many pages in it, then the software will take time to scrape and crawl the pages of that website, right? Okay, as it was taking too much time, so I have paused the video. Now you see it is on third last domain and it's scraping too many results. Software will obviously skip those sites who doesn't have any kind of email address, or the software is not able to find the email addresses on that domain, so software will skip them. But it seems this domain has too many of the results. I have also increased the threads because my system has a high specification, so it is good to increase the threads. Now let's wait for the results. Now two domains will be remaining and then our test will be done. So main purpose for this video was to show you how you can scrape the leads first, leads from the GMB lead scraper, and then you utilize the email domains of that leads data sheet, and you put them inside this software so that it can scrape the email addresses for you. So this software is only for those who needs the email addresses from their scrape data according to their niche, according to your location. So if you don't have GMB lead scraper, it's okay, you can put or if domains from any of the other source. If you have the list of the domains, you can put them here, and then this software can do the job for you, and by crawling and by scraping the data, right?